Hello, where are you right now?
Hi, I'm still at the station.
Why are you still there?
My train is running late.
Did they say why?
Yes, because of the heavy rain.
Are a lot of people waiting there?
Yes, the station is really crowded.
Did you find a place to sit?
Yes, I found an empty bench.
Did you eat anything yet?
No, I skipped dinner tonight.
Please buy something warm to eat.
I bought a cup of coffee.
Is the train coming now?
No, it got delayed again.
Are you talking to anyone there?
No, everyone seems very quiet.
Ah, the children miss you.
Tell them I'm coming soon.
I'll keep dinner ready.
Thank you so much.